Hi there, welcome back to the next video, and in this video I will show you how to use the predefined script editor variable. So if you have seen one of my previous videos where I talked about the variables that are present in the script editor, I think that was the first video where I talked about, and there were some set parameters, set prefixes, and with that variable name and what the variable contains. Now there are many variables that are defined in the load editor that you can use it in the either in the script or in the front end. So let's see what they are and how to use it. So let me go to here, and I will go to the data load editor first to show you. Let me click cancel. Let me save changes. I'm not sure what I have made as change. So data load editor, and data load editor will show you the first screen, which is a main screen, and here are the default default variables that have been set by the Qlik. So things like, if you want 1,000 separator, what should be my 1,000 separator? So in many countries comma is used, but if something else is used, you can specify here. Similarly, decimal separate, what is a decimal separator, what is a money 1,000 separator, what is a decimal 1,000 separator, what is a money format, so on and so forth. You can look at a lot of these things, but at a high level, if I see this, there are mainly these numeric formatter or the numeric separators. That means the formatting that you need to provide. That means by providing a comma, you need to format a number into 1,000 separated values. Similarly, want to format it in a money format, right? And if I go down a little bit, this is time format over here, and down there also a lot of different time format like long day names, so on and so forth. So I will show you how you can use it in the front end if you have to use it. So if I go back to my sales application, let me go to app overview, and from there to that sheet in the tutorial sheet, and in the tutorial sheet we have the values of these money value, which is sales value. So we will go ahead and format it by using those variables which are defined in the script editor. So I will go into the edit mode, and in the edit mode I will select this. Now I will have these variables, dimension and the variable, and I will use the first format, which is the money format, let's say. So to do that, I need to use the number format function, which is num. So I will use num, and num has a lot of different parameters, as you can see: number expression, format expression, decimal separate expression, and 1,000 separate expression. So these are basically the 4 different values that you can provide. So I will use the format expression, which is money format. So if I write money, I think that was the one, money format. Yeah. So this is the money format. And if you are not aware, and if you don't know, right, you can't just go ahead and experiment by writing like I was just doing it. So how you can see all of those? By coming over here in the variables, and right now if you see, it doesn't show you anything. So what you need to do is you need to click on show system variables, and now you see that I have money format, and if I click, I can see the definition also. Similarly, money 1,000 separator, money format separator, and day format, what kind of day format I want. So from here you can look at all the variables that have been defined in this application. All right, so once I am done, I will click on apply, and now my values are formatted, right? As you can see, this is formatted. Now let's go to the second one, which is this, and I will unexpand or remove this, and I will click on effects. No, not this one. What I'm doing here, dimension, remove collapse this, and over here I will again say num, and I will write the, what should I write? Should I show system variables? So there is a money format we already applied. There is a money thousand separator, money decimal separator. So money thousand separator, let's apply that. So this time I will not write, I will just click this and go down there. I will say insert. Cool. And click on apply. And now, as you see, this is somehow formatted in a scientific format, which I did not want. So if this is something you don't want, so what I'll do is I will simply go ahead and change it to money format itself for now. So as you can see how easy it is to define the variables in the backend in the load editor and use it either in the load editor or in the front end, and get the formatting as per our needs. Now, similar to num, right? Num is the formatting function for formatting the numbers, and similarly for date, you have date formatting function. So like date, number expression, format expression. So as in homework, what you can do is, I have already posted this data source in one of the earlier videos, or maybe introductory video probably, and you can actually look at something like, which is order date fields. In order date, though order date system has already created a lot of values, but I would encourage that you do an experiment with the given formatting variables, and try to do some exercise and some practice that will make you perfect. So that's pretty much it I have for you in this video about how to use these predefined variables. And I will suggest that if you have a need where you need to change the value in the backend for these variables, then go ahead and change it as per your needs. So for example, you don't need $. Suppose you are in UK and you have a pound sign, so you want to use a pound sign, so you can go ahead and use it, right? By just changing it. So whatever your formatting is, specify here just once and keep using it wherever you want, and that will make an efficient application for you. So that's pretty much it I have for you in this video, and I will meet you in the new video with a new topic.